Kids, today we are going to draw a rat. Let's draw together. First, we are drawing face of the rat. Look, rat has very sharp teeth. Please like and subscribe. Now, we draw ears of the rat. Look at the eye of the rat. Wow, so cute eyes. Now, we are drawing body of our rat. We are drawing foot and hands of the rat. So awesome! Do you feel scary? Don't worry, our rat is so awesome, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's do coloring. See you in next video. Take care.